Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this lovely blackout roll down curtain that I'm going to be installing today in my kids' playroom. These come in a variety of colors. This is a crisscross pattern on this particular one. It also comes in a variety of sizes. We have gotten sent to us the custom size for our window. It does come nicely packaged in a box and completely wrapped in bubble wrap. I've unwrapped it just so that we can get installing here. It does have the beaded cord on the one side. It also comes with mounting hardware that is included, as well as the screws necessary to put that in, either to wood or sheetrock, because it's got some sheetrock anchors. This can be mounted either on a wall or it can be mounted directly up into the ceiling top plate of this window, which is where I'm going to be installing this one. So let's go ahead and get started. So to install this into the upper part, I'm going to take one of these provided screws and insert it into the middle of this piece here. And then I'm just simply going to insert it into the ceiling and get it lined up where I want to have it. And then we're just going to screw that in. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other two. Once you've got all three of those installed up there, the top of this is aluminum. It does have plastic ends, but it's aluminum top, and it actually has a lip that we're going to lock into place and then snap it up into that piece there. So we're going to go ahead and get this nice decorative piece on the front. And I'm going to get that positioned up there and just tap it over the front side of these. So now that we've got that up there, we're going to undo this. It comes with a twisty tie that is around there. So we're going to take that off and we're going to let that thing fall down like that. And make sure we get it completely straightened out. Now from here, you can either choose to leave it hanging, or they do provide you with this piece here that allows you to strap around the end of this and screw it in place. So you can screw it in so that it maintains it there and it doesn't get away from the wall. So we can go ahead and put a screw in down here and that will hold that in place. Now it's as simple as just pulling down on this end. It's pretty effortless. This works really well. As far as the fluid motion of this, pulling this down or up. I've gone ahead and shut off the lights in the room, and I'm going to go ahead and kill the last light so that you can see the blackout capabilities of this nice, beautiful cross-weave curtain. All in all, I really like the ease of install with the snap-in design. That makes the installation very simple, and the fluid motion of being able to pull this beaded amount and set that at any particular level gives you full vision outside using that blackout UV protection curtain. The fact that it does come in many different colors and lengths allows you to customize it for your home.